Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shaka Swami, and I am the representative of the grade 8. Teaching is a bitter root, but it bears a sweet fruit. This is my question. With the emergence of technology, most especially the World Wide Web, do you think a library is already considered obsolete if one wants to research about something? For me, library is not obsolete yet because in the Philippines there are many poor people. They can't afford gadgets like computer, laptop, and tablet, even the internet. Because without internet, you cannot search in World Wide Web. For me, poor people will go to the library so that they can research for their assignment. Like the rich people, they will search in World Wide Web like their assignment, but they will not exert effort because they will just search for their assignment and just copy it on World Wide Web. And for me, I know in rich people and the middle class, they have some that for them that library is already obsolete because they have technologies. Not like poor people, they suffer because they will go to the library so that they could research for their assignment. But for me, library is not obsolete yet. Like our school, in Southeast Academy, there is library yet. So that if other students will want to research in library, they could research for their assignment. Not like other people that they just copy their